It was packed.
Basically a garage.
Storage unit in a lot of ways.
We wanted to do something with it, but we never had time.
I'm totally
Yeah,
jacked.
let's see it.
Ruthie.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Hi everyone, how you doing today? Oh my god, am I Jeffree Star? Hello, this is Hues with Ruth, and I'm Ruthie. Super catchy. Just wanted to introduce myself. My name's Ruthie. This is my first video, so that's exciting. Really what we did with this design is we used everything that we could find that was already there, from the palette to different things, and it was really just champagne attire on a beer budget, and that's kind of the way that I roll, and it's more sustainable to use things that we've already found and revamping things, whether it was recovering a chair, fresh new paint that we already had. Yeah, I'm really excited about the way that this turned out, and I'm really excited to see the other creations that I'm creating. And I know it's a little confusing. I got a haircut since this video was made, but welcome. Hope you enjoy. Hi guys, right now we are gonna move this giant bookshelf into the master bedroom. You got it, Mom?
Just like I said it was good.
So just by opening this up already, it feels pretty fantastic. So I just found this beautiful light in the abyss.
What? Beautiful!
We just cleaned this bad boy up. Now we're gonna take a little water break. Cheers. We're thinking like right here, doing like a big 2x6 covered in metal, like silver, bronze, gold, copper. We're not quite sure yet. Metal of some kind. Then we're gonna embrace these logs, but cover up this ugly foam with like big ass rope is the plan. And then we have a bunch of flooring left over from like previous jobs, and we've decided to do this accent wall with the wood and the cement, and kind of just embracing the fact that we built over a house, and this is our house, so we just gotta embrace it. And that's the story. I don't know, the whole point of this project is to use what we have, and we're using what we have and being creative with it. It's like going to the grocery store with no money and you have no food, and then like you just come up with something out of fucking Top Ramen, and you're like, that was the most genius thing I've ever come up with. Minus spilling the whole can of polyurethane I watered down all over the floor, it was a success. Hello, here we are with the power tools, building a wall. We are building a wall, not that kind of wall though. What we've realized is like the first line is the most important, because everything after that will be crooked, and no one wants that. So now we're just gonna start nailing things. So I'm a genius. I just found this old picture frame chilling in our bedroom here, and we're gonna frame around the window. And it's gonna be beautiful. I'm a genius.
I am a genius!
Hello, we are outside. I am going to clean this bad boy up. She's been living outside for a very, very long time. Please do not judge the way that my face and hair look right now. It is quarantine season, baby. So pretty much what we're going to do with her is we're going to clean her up, polyurethane her, and we're going to create this thing. this beautiful creation I found online. Very excited dog. Wow. Bee! Yes, that means spring. Bees mean spring. You can really tell the difference between these two boards. Sanded versus unsanded. So I'm not quite sure why we have so many hammers, but I'm going to rip things apart so it kind of has like the holes in this photo, you know, so it has like the open, I don't know how to explain it, but it's cute and pretty, and we're gonna copy it, and I don't know who made it, but I'm gonna figure out who did, because God bless them. The decision to work underneath a bird feeder in the wind when you were 6 feet tall was just not the move. It just wasn't.
Hit my head 5 times.
So in order to start off this palette, I decided where I wanted to put my plants and then cut this little metal thing, not quite sure what it's called, screwed the hose clamp over that, made it big enough for the jar to fit inside, closed that bad boy up, and then, ooh, my eyes match these plants. Just sporadically placed them so it filled the space. Added the plants in there. I decided to use pothos, and here's a little rerun of how it looks. Today is rope day! After a bunch of trials and tribulations and so on and so forth, we have figured out the best way to put these dang things up here. We tape the rope on each side. Then we take tree limb cutters and cut that, and then we do liquid nails, and then we brad nail it. And so far it's working. Let the process begin, eh? Today is carpet day. It is a big day. That means this baby's almost done. Then the fun stuff comes. Here we go. It's done. So much room for activities. Syphilis. I just want it to feel like this, you know? Here's a gallery wall. Welcome to the bedroom, you know? And time.
So you ready to put to lay out the first part that you like? Let's see if that changes
This is what
anything.
I like. I need to go to Hobby Lobby right now. Now what's cool about this, just take it off. So today is a very big day. It is pretty much styling and little doodads and the show and tell of it all. There is still a few more things that I would like to add, but because of COVID, that's just probably not going to be a possibility, but I'm going to let you be surprised. I'm so excited.
It was packed.
Basically
storage unit in a lot of ways.
We wanted to do something with it, but we never had time.
I'm totally jacked.
Let's see it.
Coming in.
Ruthie.
It's so
Wow.
different.
It's amazing. Look at the book on the. That's beautiful.
Wow.
And this is neat. What is this? Was this the old palette?
Yeah.
That is.
Put your photography up.
Oh, that's
And I
cool.
thought that was a cool touch to tie in your guys' personal stuff.
With
And
the
then
rope
this
frames.
that you gave for Dad's anniversary one year, right? Or for
Christmas or something. Yeah.
something. Yeah.
Something. Yeah, that's awesome. And that painting you did is my favorite.
Of course it
Of all of them that you did while you were here.
You're welcome.
So appreciate it.
That's it, everyone. I'm so glad that I got my first room I got to do for the rents. So, it's joke's on everyone. They literally help me with everything. But, you know,
Anytime.
anytime.
Come back and do another one whenever you want. I'll start building additions.
Bye. Thank you.